night, when or wherever you are. Hello, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. Now the reason why I started this video so late, that is because I just got done filming, editing, and I am currently waiting on the previous video to finish uploading. Go check that out if you have not. So you're probably here because you saw the title and the thumbnail. Yes, tomorrow it is supposed to be extremely windy and they're talking blowing dust, fire danger, power outages, everything that comes with it. As far as going to Dahab, once we're home, we're home. We're not going anywhere else. However, we do have something fun planned for Saturday, and I plan on taking y'all along with me for that. So you're going to want to stay tuned. But we got to get through this nasty windstorm to begin with. But I have to remember that it is March, and it's that time of year. This is not the first time we had a really bad windstorm. They're talking hurricane force winds, and they have been saying
this is the worst one yet to come.
I was mindlessly checking the weather, Googling, and just looking things up on the internet because I was so concerned. Xcel Energy is going to do a public safety power shutoff in some areas. Fortunately, we're not included in that because I checked multiple times just because I wanted to make sure. They have been talking about this all week, and I am dreading it. I am not looking forward to it. It is what it is, and we're just going to have to get through it. So, that being said, I'm going to turn the camera off, get ready for bed, and I'll probably go to sleep here in just a little bit. So, I will check in with you guys in the morning. Good afternoon and happy Sunday, everybody. This is going to be kind of a weird video, but it's the best I could do, okay? If you did not watch my previous video, they were talking about this windstorm that was coming, and I'm going to be honest, I did not think it was going to be that bad, but they were not lying. It was like we were in the modern version of the Dust Bowl. And you guys should have seen it. It was very eerie, and the whole place was red because of blowing dust. It was like a blizzard, but no. Anyways, we did end up losing power, unfortunately, and it did not even come on until around 4-ish yesterday. That's the approximate time. Now, as far as Saturday, when we were heading out of town to go to Shamrock, I saw some linesmen working on the power lines, and I was crossing my fingers in hopes and praying that our power would be back on when we got home. Now, it wasn't on, but it didn't come on long after. I am glad to say that that is over with. and it is in the past. The reason why I did not even film that much Friday was with everything going on, I was not all about it. And I just had a feeling we would lose internet or power or both. And that is why I ended up scheduling that video. So this video will go up probably this Friday coming up, because that will give you a weekly video. I want to stay on top of it and be a little bit more consistent, like I said earlier in the year. I don't want to go a whole 2 weeks without posting. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to do my afternoon and night routine. We do plan on going to Dayhab tomorrow. Since we didn't get to go this past Friday, that was another thing. We were going to go, but the winds were so bad, we were told to stay home. So that's why, yeah, it was not a good day. And I'm actually very thankful we didn't go. The carnival was fun. I did not get any footage of that, unfortunately, even though I was planning on it. But I didn't think we were going to be without power for as long as we were. And everyone's anxiety was coming out of the roof. I even got snapped at for no reason. And I did get my feelings hurt. But now I'm thinking, you know, I'm just going to let it go, because I understand why. They weren't mad at me. They were upset at the situation. Y'all, when we lose power, not only that, we lose all of our utilities as far as heat and water, because everything runs on electricity out here. That's the only thing that sucks about living out in the country. And if you are thinking about it, just keep that in mind. Now, it is very seldom when we lose power, but that's something not everyone thinks about. I think if we were a little bit more prepared, we would have been okay. However, luckily they have a generator, and I just stayed in the living room and watched TV with them, because that's the least I could do. And I did not want to be back here with it being cold. The only way for me to get heat is by that thing or the fireplace. And my room was really cold, and I did not want to be back here. It was so cold that I ended up sleeping in sister's room. And I did not like sleeping in there because, y'all, she's afraid of the dark. And she had her flashlight on her phone on just to keep it light. And I had to compromise and sleep with my sleep mask on. And it did help. You know, sometimes that's what we have to do. But anyway, I think I'm going to end this video here. I know it's a little bit short, but, you know, I didn't have much to film with everything that was going on, like I said. So y'all stay tuned for my next one, because I'm going to show y'all my afternoon, evening routine, and we will go from there. So subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and y'all stay tuned. Peace out. Goodbye for now.